Yep. I'm sitting in a monsoon, guys. The rain is coming down. It's Monday. And I'm going to do a quick shave today because I got to get out of here. I'm running late, as usual on Monday. So I'm going to jump in the shower and then we'll get to the shave. All right? Yeah. By the way, to make Monday easy, I'm going with Gillette SKINGUARD. Now, SKINGUARD is designed for people that have sensitive skin. I don't have sensitive skin, but I have some stubble here, and I'm going to go with the goatee. So we're going to pull this out, and we're going to use this today. Also, to make life easy, we're going to go with one of my favorites. This is from Pacific Shaving Company. It's their natural shaving cream. A little goes a long, long way. We're going to be using this today, and we're going to finish it up with a little bit of their beard care for the goatee. So what am I waiting for, guys? I need a little caffeine in my life. What am I waiting for? Let's get in the shower and let's go. Yeah. Nice shower. You know, guys, with all the products that I have available to review, so many, and growing every day, new manufacturers, sometimes I don't give enough love to companies that are just awesome. And Pacific Shaving Company is one of those companies, guys, out ahead when it comes to sustainable and natural products that are good for you, good for the environment. Stan and his team are great people. They've been at this for a while. And again, they make some awesome products. And this is one of them. Natural shaving cream. It's a concentrated formula. When you buy it for a long, long time. And it's safe, natural, plant-derived ingredients. I mean, these are things that are in vogue now. But if you look up the history of Pacific Shaving Company, this is why Stan got into the game. Wanted to make better products for you and me. And we're going to use this today. Another really, really cool product, one of my favorite products. And it's a limited time offer kind of product. Won't be around forever. This is the natural Cork Handle Shaving Brush from Pacific Shaving Company, guys. It's a nice size, right? It's got premium synthetic badger hair. I'm always talking about premium synthetic badger hair. And here's one where you can get it. You can get it right off the Pacific Shaving Company's website. Go get it. Let Stan know the average guy sent you. We're going to be using this today. And I'm going to clean up the goatee for a Monday morning. Monday morning. All right. So again, this is a concentrated solution. I'm going to take just a small amount and dump it off into a little bowl here. Now, it's not a heavy lathering cream, but I like the mechanics. I like using a brush, guys. I like to use a brush. Kind of get that whole ritual going. Again, just a little bit. And I'll work that into the bowl. And I'll get it on my pretty skin. Let's go. Monday morning. Near hot. Even though I've steamed up, I've been talking. So I'm going to face lather now. Now, the natural shaving cream, guys. It has a citrus smell to it. Very nice. Very. It awakens the senses and gets you ready to go. I'm going to add some water to the mix. Face lather some more. Build up. Again, it doesn't do a huge lather. but it's super protective. It's got great ingredients, natural. It's just what the doctor ordered for a gloomy Monday morning. And I mean gloomy, guys. Rainy, gray. All right. Gillette SKINGUARD, guys. Designed for folks with sensitive skin. Now, I'm lucky I don't suffer from having sensitive skin, but I've been getting lots and lots of requests for razors that'll help you out. So this is the premier razor. Now let's look at the business end of it. It's got 2 blades, if you can see that, but they're nestled in these guards. Guards have little combs that sort of direct the hair, but you see how spaced the 2 blades are? There's a wide enough gap. There's lots of lubrication designed to cut the hair right at the skin level or slightly above to prevent the ingrown hairs, the irritation. This is about as smooth as you can get on a Monday morning, and I need it, guys. All right, so I'm gonna shave with the grain. Oh, that's nice, guys. And there is no fear. There is no chance of getting nicked up with this razor. It's a great razor for newbies to shaving, because it's sort of like a razor on training wheels, guys. I'm gonna come in here and just follow that outline. Again, I'm leaving a little bit of foundation for the goatee. So if I want to go long with the goatee, I can do that. The same goes with a beard. If you want to grow a thick, heavy beard, you want to give yourself a little foundation under your chin so you have somewhere for all that growth to be rooted, you know? A tree with weak roots is not a stable tree. And that's the same with your beard. Again, I want to take this goatee very square and tight. I don't like a voluminous goatee. And I'll do a little trimming up. But it's very, very nice, guys. Very nice, easy shave for a Monday morning. Look at that. So I'm gonna go back to this original brush, and I'm gonna put a little bit more of that natural shaving cream on, and I'll do a follow-up pass. I'll go right to an against grain pass, and we'll make this a quick and easy shave here. Oh, very nice. Again, orange essence, just beautiful. Beautiful cream, guys. I've had it for a while. You buy it and you'll have it for a long time. Again, concentrated, you don't need much. Just a little squeeze of this natural shaving cream. Get over to Pacific Shaving Company, guys. You have to put it in your arsenal for a Monday morning. All right, we're gonna go against grain. And you can see that easy, smooth, lots of feedback. So it's doing the work, but it's doing it in a gentle manner. So if you're, again, suffering from ingrown hairs, if you suffer from sensitive skin, the Gillette SKINGUARD is the way to go. And the Pacific Shaving Company product is the way to go. Easy on the skin. All natural ingredients. Easy on your wallet. And great people to work with. And I like supporting companies and people that are good, nice people. Who wants to deal with people that are not nice? If you got to give your hard-earned cash to someone or a company or organization, isn't it nice that you're giving it to nice people? Right? And Stan and his team over at Pacific Shaving are nice people. Quality people. All right. No nicks, no cuts, no irritation. The Gillette SKINGUARD. And this is a model I got at Walmart. They have some different models. This has a more of a upgraded handle on it. It's got the flex ball technology. They also make this with the power feature. So you can get it in all different varieties. It just depends on where you're getting it. I'll leave a link in the description box below for Pacific Shaving Company and for this razor, so you can pick it up. It's a must if you have sensitive skin. All right, guys. So now what I'm going to do, I'll rinse off with cool water, and then we'll go with our second product, which is going to be a product for the beard and for the face. Again, from Pacific Shaving Company. It's their 3-in-1 everyday beard care. Now, this is good as you're growing out your goatee, or if it's fully grown, you got a big beard. This moisturizes the beard. It manages it. It keeps it looking great, and it also takes care of your skin. So I'm going to use this today on the beard, the goatee, and the face as an aftershave. Again, just another great product from Pacific Shaving Company. But let's rinse off with some cool water. This is also when you do your final inspection to make sure you've hit all the areas and you're satisfied with the shave. I see one little area to touch up, and I'll show you another feature on this. It is a fusion product, so it has that precision trimmer on the back. I'm going to go right in here. I'm going to address my sideburns with that precision trimmer. I'll go over here, straighten that up, right? Perfecto. Cut a notch in there. Very nice, guys. Very, very nice. Oh, yeah. Looks good, feels good. And then we're going to go into this 3-in-1 everyday beard care. And I'll take a little bit of this, just a little bit again, concentrated. And that's the theme with their products. Concentrated. So you don't need to use a lot, guys. I probably used a little bit too much. But I'm going to thumb it in or rub it in to the beard. Oh, a little spiced orange smell. Oh, yeah. And then I'll rub it in to my face and neck as a very nice aftershave. Protects the hair, protects the face. Wonderful. There you go, guys. Again, Pacific Shaving Company is a great, great brand, great organization. Get over to their website. I'll leave a link in the description box below. Pick up all of their products, and I'll see you guys next time. Oh, by the way, SKINGUARD, for those of you who are looking for a good, sensitive razor, a razor that's sensitive to your needs. Thanks for watching. I hope you have a great week, and I'll see you next time, which will probably be like, I don't know. But in the meantime, you know what to do. Keep pushing play. Now roll the music.